Which way is it? This way?
Straight down.
We have not been this far.
Off to the laundry.
Off to the laundry.
Look at this door.
So Lil's gone off chilling with her mates and we're doing the laundry.
This way.
How's that for?
Yeah, keep going.
I love doing laundry. Ours is wobble.
That way your phone.
I haven't got my phone.
Well, we got it on the vlog.
That's what his principal said too.
Is this one?
This one's a washer down here.
Why did you find it?
Don't know. Save water.
For you?
$1.
Oh yeah, $1. That's alright.
Tap your key to the world card.
On the thing.
Press charge. Turn knob to select program. Add soap. Push knob to start. Don't push me.
Can you open this?
I can.
We brought,
What a strong
we
smell.
brought
Isn't it?
these, which are like laundry sheets. And they were like
Bought them
£3
from a
for
store.
25. You can just pop it in.
Those aren't from home.
Now you've also got an iron over there.
Those aren't from home.
And a cleaning station, ironing board, and then you got 2 washers and 3 dryers,
I'm not
and
using
your
any
soap
bags.
centre as we showed before.
It's actually what
Just and I think it gets charged to your room then,
Yeah.
because you scan your key to the world card.
How's it going? Is there much room?
Get stuck, you got a phone. Give them a ring, I guess, if you get stuck.
Oh, so you've got, you keep going. So you've got 60, which is 49 minutes. You've got heavy soil, which is 53. You've got quick wash at 60, which is 43. You've got that, which is 50, eco.
we should have quick wash.
Oh, so they're all at 60. I don't ever wash at 60.
Is that about 60 minutes?
Yeah, no, temperature,
What do you wash at?
40. Sometimes 30.
They all fit.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect.
So 2 bags is 1 load for us.
Do
That's
you
good.
lock it? Is
Yeah.
that locked?
Yeah, that's good.
Just
Then-
check it, Mum.
It is?
Magic band.
No, I don't think that.
So you have to tap it here.
Oh, it's
Oh,
worked.
there you go. So then it's £3.50. Well, $3.50, I imagine. Oh, do it again.
Fast wash.
Ah, hang on. If you press them twice. Quick wash. Oh, you get different times. Hang on. Quick wash, refresh. There we go. That's what we want.
So we're
30
ready there.
minutes.
So then I think you push the big knob.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
Press that?
Start. Hang on. Oh,
Check in.
that's it. Waiting for permission. Purchase complete. This machine is
You put
now
the sheet in?
active. Yeah.
Cool.
In use. So we need a timer, although I think it tells you on the app, but I like to just double check. So the time is, that's an hour slow, so 10:30. So we should be done by 11:15.
11:15. Cool. And then we come back and
do
put it
the
in the
dryer.
dryer. Right, lovely.
And then
What
what's
works?
here?
Quick scan of the room. Show you what it looks like. And we're on deck 8, aren't we?
Yep.
Yes, but there's one on every floor.
One on
Oh
every.
look, it tells you here, there. That's a good.
Oh, yeah. Do you want to take a
Image.
picture?
Ours is wobble.
Have got your phone.
I haven't got my phone.
Well, we got it on the vlog.
Yeah. So you'll see us walking back in 45 minutes. Peace.
Opposite the
Later that same evening.
So the washing machine is now finished. Now we're sticking it straight in the dryer, are we?
yeah.
So if you're a tiny person with tiny arms,
Yeah, help.
get help.
Don't come by yourself.
Don't come by yourself. Or use a dryer that's down here.
Yeah, but we're not next to it, and I'm not bothered.
She's not bothered.
Yeah, good.
All good.
Oh, sock.
Oh, pick it up there.
Oh,
Can I
one sock.
chuck it?
Yeah.
Basket.
Okay.
This one.
Where's the, hang on. Normal temp. Low
Right.
temp.
So you're just normal all over, is it?
Extra. extra dry, extra dry, 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 iron dry, down. Okay, so we just want low temp, dry.
So just turn into
hang on.
whatever one you want.
Lost it. Low temp, dry.
So tap your magic band. That should.
If you don't have your card on you, you just take
None of us brought ours, but she worked before.
Oh, there you go.
Check in. Right.
Done. Ready.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
she did tap the screen.
Your machine's
Push
not
start.
active.
What?
Yeah, she's still got to push start as well.
In use. Drying. Oh, we don't know how long now.
It says 50%. 50% of how long? Drying.
Never actually checked if we got a notification on the app. That's a waste of $3.50.
That is a waste of $3.50.
You're not actually paying them.
Yeah, we are paying.
With your magic band.
Yeah, but it still goes to my card. It stopped on 21%. So we were going to give it 15 minutes when we come back.
Should we go back?
10 to 15 minutes.
Yeah, which is
Yeah.
probably to be
About
fair
right on a dryer.
all it probably needs.
Because this came out and it's not exactly soaking wet.
Smells nice.
Yeah. Okay, we'll be back.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys. Bye guys.